In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export your contact list on your Wix website, whether you're managing an online store, a blog, or any other type of website. Having an organized contact list is an essential part of maintaining smooth communication with your audience. By importing and exporting your contacts, you can keep your customer data up to date and even back it up for safe storage. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently manage your contacts on Wix without any stress. Let's get started. First things first, before diving in, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. This is the starting point for everything we'll be doing today, so take a moment to enter your login details and access your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home section of your dashboard. From this central hub, you can access all the tools and features Wix offers. Now, let's move on to the next steps. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. This menu is your navigation tool for everything you need to manage your website. From here, locate the section labeled Customers and Leads. This is where Wix stores all the information about your audience, including their contact details, interactions, and more. Go ahead and click on Customers and Leads to access this section. Once you're in the Customers and Leads section, you'll see a button labeled Import Export. This button will be your gateway to both importing new contacts and exporting your existing ones. Click on this button to get started. Let's first talk about importing contacts. If you're looking to add new contacts to your Wix database, this is the option you'll want to use. Once you've clicked on Import Export, you'll see an option that says Import Contacts. Click on it, and now you'll be prompted to choose how you want to import your contacts. Wix gives you two options here. You can either upload a CSV file or import directly from your Gmail account. If you choose the CSV file option, make sure your file is properly formatted with the contact details you want to upload. Wix will guide you through the process step by step, and you'll be able to map each column in your file to the corresponding fields on Wix. If you're importing from Gmail, you'll need to log into your Gmail account and allow Wix to access your contacts. Follow the prompts carefully, and once the process is complete, your new contacts will be added to your Wix account. Now, let's move on to exporting contacts. Exporting is useful if you want to back up your contact list, transfer it to another platform, or simply keep an offline record. To start, return to the Customers and Leads section where you initially clicked on Import Export. Once again, click on the Import Export button, but this time, select Export Contacts. A new window will appear, asking you to select the file format in which you'd like to export your contact list. Wix offers several options here, including CSV, Google CSV, and Outlook CSV. Choose the format that works best for your needs. For example, if you're planning to upload the list to another email platform, double-check which file format they support. After selecting your desired format, click on the Export button, and your contact list will be downloaded directly to your device. It's that simple. And there you have it, everything you need to know about importing and exporting your contact list using Wix. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your contact information organized and easily transferable whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.